We are at the park Evanston, and look what happened. We were a little too late. At least he was. Want to get a different one? Eh, fine. Screw it.
Yeah, ERM.
Weird. No, that's ERM. That's not Dewhurst.
Same thing.
Dewhurst uses different keys. That's ERM. Actually?
Could be Dupar, ERM, Dewhurst.
Going up.
Same thing.
Well, that was an ERM key switch in the lobby. I think I forgot something in the car. Hmm.
24th floor.
This is that new phone thing with the yes, no. Is that an Otis key switch? Yes, it is.
That's what the cab looks like.
Yeah, they redid the cab. Let's see here. Yeah, that was all redone.
It's just open.
Those are ERM.
Yeah. They
That's-
were nice enough to write the keys on there.
Yeah, it's definitely ERM.
Well,
First floor. Main
Three-door.
lobby.
And that's all.